Here I have OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn off your device, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. And that's how you can enter this mode. So here you have to firstly select your language. Let's select English. You can navigate through this menu using volume keys and select using power key, or you can just use this touch screen. So here you have such options as install from storage, online update, wipe data, reboot and power off. In wipe data you can also wipe data, retain contacts, messages and photos, or you can just format all data. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot, and after that your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.